issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Milwaukee County in southeastern Wisconsin, southern Waukesha County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 6:30 p.m. At 5:49 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Mukwonago, moving east at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Milwaukee, Waukesha, West Allis, New Berlin, Greenfield, Oak Creek, Muskego, South Milwaukee, Cudahy, Greendale, St. Francis, Hales Corners, Mukwonago, West Milwaukee, Franklin, Vernon, North Prairie, Big Bend, Eagle, and Genesee Depot. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.